Ciao, welcome to Beatspot, I'm Marco, and in this video I will show you how to clean up one-shot samples for melodic purposes. So let's dive into it. So here I have this really simple melody for a drill beat. Okay, so let's get to the original sample, which is this Oboe 1C by Westview, and let's listen to it. So while playing it inside the sampler, I noticed that there were a couple of nasty resonances, so how to get rid of them? We have two ways. So the first way, which is suboptimal, is just loading the sample into the sampler and play it, and we have this kind of result. But we can also use tools like Soothe to kind of tame dynamically those resonances. However, that's suboptimal. Soothe is a really great VST, but we have a better way and also for free. So what we can do is just taking the sample and we go with the EQ and we just lower the resonant frequencies. So you can tell the difference of how piercing those two resonant frequencies are. And we can just like apply this EQ, freeze and flatten, and then we have this result that we can later drag into the sampler, and so we are playing all the notes with those two controlled frequencies and they aren't going to be annoying ever again. So that's basically it, and this technique is really great on 808 because they might have like some jumps or some glides, especially when you're using 808 samples. So you can just control the tone as it's like a wavetable, and that way you have best 808 you want. And so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.